Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Happy birthday, Tasha at the Polished Panther. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s. Our theme today for this mani, dogs. And I'm going to be using the E&A Pro Choice nails. And here is MJ Lacquer, A Time to Build. Oh, how pretty. Yes. So I'm doing the tips on my nail wheel, and I'll be applying them to my nails at the end of the video. It's this is a very, very, very layered manicure, and I'm going to, it's just easier to do it on the nail tips on the nail wheel, and then put them on my nails when I'm done, because I can walk away and let them dry, and that works out really good for me. And before I forget, I will have links for a hashtag for over on Instagram for all the manicures, and a list of all the participants that are helping our friend Tasha at the Polished Panther celebrate her birthday. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you a heads up. I've known Polished Panther for a very long time, and I follow her on Instagram and watch YouTube videos. And she has the cutest dog, and my accent nail on this manicure, I'm trying to get as close as I can to her very unique, very beautiful dog that she has. And I just wanted to throw that out there and let y'all know that there was some rhyme and reason to this today. So I'll be using You Are Beautiful 12 Stampin' Plate, my She Modern stamper, and the She Modern Sticky Black, Opaque Black Stampin' Polish. I've got out a Maniology scraper. Now this is the image that I'm going to turn into her puppy. I'm telling you, you guys have to go look at her Instagrams and see her baby. Adorable. Now her baby's ears are a little different, but this was the closest I could get to. So we're going to set that aside and let it dry. I'm going to be, filling that one in with lots of color. And I'll be using the Opaque Sticky Stampin' Polish from She Modern to do some more, stamping. These I think I'm just going to put straight onto the nails. And I'm using my cube stamper from Maniology for this. I've just, dropping everything. I've decided to put it on a different nail. There we go. Got the woof, woof, bark, bark. And this is just a little cute image with a bunch of different shaped dogs. Now, when I first met Polished Panther many years ago, she was a cat lady. But she has been transformed into the dog lady now. And I just think that's funny. I've owned cats and dogs, so, some I've had at the same time. Sometimes I've only had a dog or a cat, and now we've just got the dog. So I was really excited to do this manicure. I always love when we've got a theme that is close to me, because I'm really attached to my dog. My little cotton head. He's such a mess. And this image is really cute. It's like the little fire hydrants and the doggy treats. Dog cookies. We call them cookies at our house. And I don't know that that's really a fire hydrant. That could be just like a little dog house. I had some extra, so I'm going after the end. The image was just a tad bit short. So I'm just kind of tapping in some of that extra color on there. So voila, fixing it, yes. Alright, so I'm cleaning this plate off with pure acetone and wiping with a lint-free wipe. And I say lint-free very loosely because we all know that they're truly not lint-free. Very good. Got that clean. Going to clean my little mat off. And we're going to be using Maniology Splash as well as Maniology's Cocoa. So her dog has one blue eye and one brown eye. So that's what I'm doing to my little puppy dog here. And my blobs are bigger than the eye. I could have like used a tinier dotting tool, but I really wanted that to step out and be seen. I'm going to be using Primrose, also from Maniology, for the cute little bow. I just figured that would go really well with this one. Isn't that cute? If you want to give her a kiss, she's so cute. There we go. I'm adding a teeny bit of white to the brown, to the cocoa, and I'm going to mix that in to make a lighter brown for the nose, just a little bit lighter than the eye color. So here we go. Gotta get this set up. There we go. Get that cute little nose. Alrighty, and we're not done yet, because her puppy dog also has some cute little gray spots, and I'll be using Folklore to put those on, and a tinier dotting tool. Not that I do so well at making these tiny, but we're going to put some little gray dots on the ears. Very cute, very cute. I'm already in love with this manicure, by the way. Like I said, I have a dog that I'm attached to, so we'll be using Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout to fill the rest of this design in. And I'm just going over everything. I'm going to cover up, well, on the face and the ears and stuff, and the head. I'm going to cover up everything with the white. It's just easier. And it might make the eye color and nose color and stuff pop a little better, or be more opaque looking. Trying to be very careful not to get too crazy and get out of line too bad. And like I said, you guys have to go check out her puppy dog, the pictures of her puppy dog. It's just, you know, that kind of stuff is so cool. And also check out the other manicures that the other ladies are doing. Oh, that's looking so cute already. Got it. I am missing some over here on this little ear. And then up at the top. Oh, camera, stop acting up. Okay. Let's see. How are we doing here? Alrighty. So everything's dry. I set the decal to the side and let it completely dry. And now I'm using Maniology Sticky Base to get this nail tacky so that when I apply this decal, it sticks well and I don't have to fight with it. Just going to get this lined up and stick it down. Kind of rocked it back and forth to make sure it's stuck good. Okay, I'm going to top everything with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is completely dry, even this little decal right here, I'm going to be topping it with my final top coat. Today I'm using Seche Vite, and we're going to just finish these off. And I'm going to set them aside and let them super duper dry before I apply them to my fingernails, because I do not want to go messing up my beautiful artwork by doing the mushing that I need to do to apply these to my nails. So I am going to let these, I'm going to go watch a movie and I'll come back later and apply these to my nails. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. Alrighty, so I'm using the little glue sticky tabs. Here we go, we're going to apply them. I'm using the back end of my tweezers to kind of smooth this down on my nail. And then I'm going to try to get this tab to release and let me, if it would just work. You guys know I have issues with stuff like this. I don't know. Oh, okay, just going to get in there with my fingers. Okay, got a little bit that was trying to stick real bad. And then now I've got one little piece, I think, left stuck to the glue. I need all of that. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, now we get to apply the accent nail with the puppy dog. And make sure it's straight. And you do need to hold these down, push them down, mush them down really well for several seconds. After I got done videoing, I sat and mushed so that they would, stay on for a little bit. Now, this is not long-term wear, which is fine with me because I change mine out very often. And if you were wanting to wear something like this longer, you might want to do a different method of applying them. Like some glue or some, like gel base or something like that. So here we go with our last one, the cute little paw prints. The mush, mush, mush. And there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.